Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we're going to see how to run GitHub code in VS Code using zip file. Firstly, open your desired project folder in VS Code. Then create a readme.md file in the root directory if you don't have one. Then publish it to GitHub by navigating to the Source Control tab, which is the icon that looks like a branching tree on the left sidebar. Now, click the Publish to GitHub button and choose whether you want the repository to be public or private when prompted. Now choose the files you wish to include in your first comment, and note that any files you do not select will automatically be added to your file, so keeping your repository clean. Now, right-click the downloaded zip file and extract all. Launch VS Code, then go to File, Open Folder, and select the folder you just extracted. Your files will appear in the Explorer tab, allowing you to edit, run, and manage that code locally. And that's how you do it, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, guys, and please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel if it helped you out. Let me know in the comments below what should I do next, and I will see you on the next one.